Okay, so this is an overhead valve engine. It's going to check the tappets. If you're hearing a lot of tapping noise on your engine, it could be this. It could be the timing chain tensioner, but this is a overhead valve, so it don't have timing chain. So if you've got this one, it's more than likely going to be the tappets. So obviously you take the rocker cover off. On this one it's 3 bolts. Then you get your engine to top dead centre, which it is. I'm touching the piston now with that big pen. Probably better with a screwdriver, but so I'm at top dead centre and I'm on the rock. That when it's on the rock, it means that both valves are closed. So you're at top dead centre, both valves closed. And then obviously you hear that noise. If that gap in between the rocker and the valve top, sorry I don't know what that's called, but you just feel that there's a bit of resistance on that as you put it through. So it's 0.08 millimeters. I ain't got the manual for this, so I don't know what the exact manufacturer reading is, but if you need to adjust it, you just undo the nut and you can turn it anti-clockwise to make the gap bigger, or clockwise to make it smaller. That's made it bigger, smaller. That's perfect now. You just hold it while you tighten it back up. And that is it. Probably done that a bit too big now, but I'll readjust that after I've finished. So I'm just going to put the cap back on now, and that would be it done.